Are you tired of Messenger lowering your quality of your photo and video on Messenger? Well, there is a good news for us all. Well, after the latest update, Messenger has confirmed that you'll get the option to send HD quality photos on Messenger, and you'll also be able to use AI to ask questions in during your chat on the Messenger itself. Now, however, the feature is only recently launched. It has only recently launched, and it might take some time to get the feature rolling in all of the regions, and it might not be available on your region. But if you do want one, you can head into Messenger and you can search in for if the update is available. If the update is available, you can update it and you can use the feature to send HD quality photos, which will be available in the app itself, and you'll be able to use AI as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.